According to father of management, Peter F. Drucker, knowledge has to be improved, challenged, or increased constantly, or it vanishes. Hello, my name is Sangeeta Sharma and I am currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Business Management in IIS School of Management, Siliguri. To start with, let me give you a brief overview of the Indian economy. Prior to 1991, Indian economy was sheltered and protected with a very little competition and challenges. It was a closed economy then. Due to high financial crisis, India was in a very bad state. Then it was a closed economy. Then the Indian government thought of bringing about economic reform in our country by opening up the economy. Then after 1991, India was an open economy. Then came the period of LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. With the advent of liberalization, privatization and globalization, the world has become a very small place. Increasing the pace of competition and challenges, high FDIs and FIIs gave a boost to the economic development of India. It gave growth opportunities, it gave rise to a lot of employment opportunities, and with that it expanded and widened the outlook of career prospects in our country. Having said that, well, today let me talk about one of the most finest and the most latest career prospect in the field of business management, that is a graduation course in Bachelor's of Business Administration, that is BBA. Okay, now many people ask, why BBA? What are the career prospects? Now, to tell BBA students, BBA is a course which acquaints the aspirants with a lot of new technologies, with a lot of business skills and communication skills. It strengthens the managerial skills of the students. It boosts up the confidence level of the students. It gives a first-hand knowledge on many of the management fields, that is whether it be financial management, human resource management, marketing management, or production and operation management. And moreover, it makes the students industry ready. Now, if I compare BBA with any other courses like BCom, BBA is a much more advanced and job-oriented course, whereas BCom is not like that. BCom is a normal graduate course. Just after BBA, the students can start with their managerial career. And talking about various career opportunities in BBA, a BBA graduate can step up in various career-oriented, job-oriented field. They can get entry-level jobs in retail sector, telecommunications sector, profit organizations, not-for-profit organizations. They can get job in IT sector. They can get job in banking, insurance, BPOs and KPOs in management departments, and many more. They have a vast career lying in front of them, whereas a normal graduate do not have. Okay, now students who has already completed BBA can aspire for MBA very easily. Many students after their BBA, they go for MBA. And in BBA, they are already acquainted with business and communication skills, whereas when they start with MBA, they can focus more on any one or two of the core fields of management, like I told you before, finance, HR, marketing and production and operation, so that they can get a managerial job. And if a student who has done BBA and after that he or she has worked somewhere for 1 or 2 years, and then he has done MBA, then it becomes a cherry on top of the cake. Okay, so having said that, I would like to tell all the students who want to aspire a career in management, just after +2, think of doing BBA and not any other graduate course, because it is a mere waste of time, money and energy. Thank you and have a nice career ahead.